Hey everyone, it's Paul Lemiski here. Special message. I'm kind of heartbroken, actually. If you don't already know the news, and a lot of you already do know the news because you've been emailing me, asking me what's going on with the YouTube channel, and I do really appreciate your support and all your suggestions. But basically, here's what happened. Yesterday morning, I woke up, I did my normal thing, I went on YouTube, I answered a bunch of comments, I then came down here to work, and then I got an email out of nowhere from one of you saying, hey, what's up with your YouTube channel? And I thought, well, that's kind of a weird email. And I emailed back, what do you mean, what's up with my YouTube channel? Well, the person emailed right back and said, well, you have no videos anymore. And I was like scratching my head, thinking, well, that's weird. I kind of had a pit in my stomach drop down. And of course, I went to my YouTube Creator Studio, the behind the scenes of where you see everything, and I clicked on my channel, and it literally says, upload your first content. I have 0 videos listed. None of them are private or anything like that, as some of you suggested. Maybe they got switched to private and we just can't see them anymore. Or in my video directory, in my Creator Studio, all my videos are gone. Now I can go in there, I can see my playlists, I can click on a playlist, and when it goes to the video that's supposed to be there, it says a user has deleted this video, or the user of your account has deleted this video. Well, I can tell you for sure I did not delete any of my videos. I have a lot of memories in there, I have a lot of hard work, and it's really a team effort around here, and all these videos show that, and I like to showcase that. So of course, I would not get rid of any of these videos. I love all these videos, and I love being able to share all this with you guys. Again, I want to say thank you for the support, all the emails coming in. I did contact YouTube, Google directly through Creator Studio chat type thing, and let them know about my problem, basically. They reassured me kind of yesterday a little bit that probably my videos would be okay, but then the email came in this morning saying, unfortunately, if you delete your own videos through your own channel, there's literally no way to get the videos back. Unless I have a hard copy, I can re-upload, which I do have a lot of videos backed up and I could re-upload, but I don't exactly know the process in doing that because it would kind of screws up a lot of things. All my links don't work, all that kind of stuff. So I'm actually tossing and turning. Last night in my sleep, I didn't really sleep very well. I'm kind of a little depressed, I guess, about the whole situation. And if you follow along on this channel, that's pretty rare occurrence. I don't get upset too often. I'm a very happy guy, happy person, happy human being, really. I have a great team around me, and we love what we do. We love sharing it all with you. So either my account was hacked, something like that. Somehow somebody got into it and decided to delete all the videos. Maybe somebody that had permissions to get into my account deleted the videos. I don't know. I don't know. They are looking into it. We have some IP addresses that might seem fishy, but they might not. I don't really know. I'm looking for your opinion here. What do you guys want me to do? I need to decide if I'm going to re-upload all the videos that I had, I guess in order of what my vlogs were. Do I just start fresh? Do I just start making new videos and start from here, kind of thing? So I'm really lost right now. My head is kind of up in the clouds. I'm thinking about my videos. Am I ever going to get them back? Who did this? And of course, I'm trying to run a business here. I got my furniture company, the lumber company. You guys all know this if you watch, obviously. And we have the Toronto Woodworking Show coming up this weekend. I'm also trying to get my how-to build videos through for my chairs. So it's been a real kind of kick in the pants. It was a huge surprise, and I'm still like in the moment. I'm a little, again, I'm very lost right now. Yeah. I do really appreciate all of you subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, commenting on them. So I really hope this doesn't dissuade you from unsubscribing, not watching my new content. But this isn't going to hold me down. I'm going to continue producing videos, sharing what we do. So I hope you stick it with me. Stick it with me, that's funny to say. See, I'm already back to it. Yeah, what can I say? If you guys have any suggestions or comments below, please add it below. till then, stay tuned for the next video. I don't exactly know where this is going to go. So again, thank you everyone for sticking with me. Make it a great one.